So you want to use the best AI on the market, like Gemini, GPT, and Claude, totally for free and without limits? You clicked on the right video. I'll even show you how to generate unlimited images and videos with the best models. But do me a favor and pay close attention until the very end. The video generation feature is in a different section, so you need to watch the full tutorial to catch exactly where it is. To access these AIs, just type this into your browser and head over to this website right here. Once you land on the site, you'll see this dashboard. Up here, you have a few different tabs. Let me break them down for you. Right now, we are in Arena Battle. Here, you send a prompt and two random anonymous models will answer. You vote for the winner, and only then their names are revealed. This helps the community rank the AIs, which is cool, but I know that's not exactly what you're looking for. What you want is right here, in the Side-by-Side tab. This is the game changer. Here, you can actually hand-pick the specific models you want to use. You can select any two models, send the same message to both, and compare who gives you the best result. As you can see, all the heavy hitters are here. The top-tier models everyone wants to use are available in this list. And notice something important. I didn't even have to log in. I'm going to grab two models here and send a simple prompt, just so you can see it in action. As you can see, both are generating the response at the exact same time. This is super useful for getting two different perspectives or just comparing results. But here is where the game really changes. If you want to use direct chat, where it works just like a standard AI interface, this is the spot. You can pick the exact model you want and chat to your heart's content. Completely free, no credit card, no limits, and remember, we still haven't even logged in. If you click this search icon, you'll see the models specifically designed to browse the web. These are the ones that actually scour the internet to fetch the useful data needed to give you an accurate answer. There are plenty of powerful options here, which is great for when you need to look something up fast. Now, if you click this image icon, things get really interesting. We've got the best image generation and editing models right here. All the ones you actually want to use are available, including brand new releases like Nano Banana Pro, Flux 2, and more. Let's give it a spin with a simple prompt. As you can see, the quality is top-notch. Now, let's test the editing. Just click here. It loads the image back into the chat as if you were uploading it. Type in your prompt and let's see the result. Okay, so now it's asking to log in. Since these image generators are in high demand, they require it. But don't worry, it's super quick. You can use any email or just sign in with Google in seconds. Plus, once you log in, your chat history gets saved so you can pick up where you left off. And it stays completely unlimited. No hidden fees, no paywalls. All right, I've logged in and here we are. Just click right here to expand the sidebar. This is where all those chats we just tested are saved. Let's jump back into the image chat to finish up our edit. There's still a ton of cool stuff to cover, and stick around because I'm going to show you how to generate videos. It's a bit hidden, but I'll walk you through it step by step. Wow, as you can see, the edit came out perfect with just a super simple prompt. This model is actually incredible. Now, if you're looking to do some coding directly in the browser, check this out. Just click this code icon. It'll ask to start a new chat. Hit confirm, and then switch over to direct chat if you want a one-on-one session. Pick your model and ask away. I'm going to go with our fan favorite, Gemini 3 Pro, and I'll just click one of these suggestions to see what it comes up with. Let's give it a second to generate. All right, as you can see, it finished our Pong game, and it looks pretty awesome. I can't wait to play. But first, if you want to peek at the actual code it wrote, just use this toggle right here to switch between the preview and the code view. Now, let's put it to the test. Okay, looks solid. Oh, right, I'm the blue paddle. And I already let one in. Okay, time to get serious. Wait, this AI opponent is actually really good. Can I even beat this thing? Whoa, it feels like there's a second level or something. The ball just picked up speed. Or maybe I'm just bad at this. Wait, I think I'm getting the hang of it. Look at that! The ball actually has that spin effect I mentioned. Ah, forget it, it won. Hats off to Gemini 3 Pro for whipping this up in just a few minutes. Incredible. All right, moving on. Let's talk about how to generate videos with the best models out there. First things first, the secret is right here. You need to head over to this tab and join their Discord. Click here, let the invite page load, accept, and it'll pop open your Discord app right into their server. Once you're in, just jump into any of these 3 channels. You'll see people generating videos 24/7. It's all free. You can generate as much as you want, and most videos now come with audio. Just mention it in your prompt. The only catch? They just ask you to vote on which result you like better. To start generating, just click the chat box and type a /. You'll see options for text to video or image to video. If you pick image to video, it lets you upload a file from your computer. Then, just type your prompt right here and hit send. It'll load like this, and boom! It gives you 2 video variations to choose from. Super useful and effective. Anyway, if this video was helpful to you, please hit that like button and subscribe. See ya!